Hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to Thrive and Belong. Here we take common yoga poses and I show you different ways that you can make them feel more comfortable within your body. If you like what we're doing here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's quick, it's easy, it's free, but it means that you'll be updated each time we release new videos, and it also is a great way to support us in the work that we're doing to make yoga more accessible to all. Today we're going to be looking at Ananda Balasana pose, also known as Happy Baby. So I'll start off by showing you what Ananda Balasana looks like in the traditional sense, and then I'll break it down with you and cue you step by step how you can get into it and how you can find more comfort and ease within this posture. So this is how I tend to take Ananda Balasana, Happy Baby pose. So Ananda Balasana is a really great hip opener, and it's also quite a joyful pose. Ananda is the Sanskrit word for bliss, and so I really love this posture because it just feels like, you know, you could rock about, you can have a laugh in it, so it's a really nice posture to try and come into. So the first way that I would teach this is I would cue my students to hug their knees in towards their chest and just see how this feels. If it feels okay, the next step would be to widen the knees out and draw in the knees towards the armpits. So here we're beginning to have a little bit of opening within the hips. And if this feels like enough, it's absolutely fine to just stay here. The next step would be, I like to cue my students to imagine that the ceiling was lower and that they could put their both feet on it. So again, if this feels like an okay place to stop, you can stop here with your ankles stacked over your knees are bent, and from here we're working to widen the knees and draw them down towards the armpits. If you're finding that this is hard to hold, you can use a strap to assist you by looping the strap behind the backs of your thighs, widening the knees and just drawing them in like this and relaxing your arms down on the mat. From this position, if you would like to go further, you can catch a hold of your toes by bringing your index finger and your middle finger around the big toes, pressing your thumbs into the tops of the big toes, and I like to use my elbows to widen the knees and my hands to draw the knees down. And the finger position here is known as peace fingers. This might work for you, it might feel comfortable. If it doesn't, another option is to catch the outside edges of the feet, and again you can widen the knees and draw them down. This feels a bit less comfortable for me. I tend to prefer the peace finger option, but again, you might find that something different works better for you and your body, and that's absolutely fine. We're all built differently, and this is what I would say is the full expression of Ananda Balasana. So what I would say when it comes to Ananda Balasana is just taking it in those set stages and stopping wherever feels right for you, so you don't have to make it to that point at the end that I would say is the full expression of the pose, to be able to experience the benefits of that hip opening and the benefits of just kind of being reclined. Within our yoga practice, it's up to us to really tune into our body, listen to our body and know where our point of getting off that bus, so to speak, is. So if you find that it's that first point where you've just got your wide knees and you're hugging them down towards your armpits, you'll be experiencing the physical benefits, and if you stop right there, you'll be going deeper in your yoga practice than someone who forces themselves into a position that really isn't right for their body. So I hope you found this helpful. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, tell me in the comments if this was useful, let us know if there's any other yoga postures you would like us to break down for you, and we will do our best to make a video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. If you enjoyed this video, come and join us for our online Patreon membership, Thrive Anywhere. Thrive Anywhere members get access to exclusive yoga practices uploaded every single week. Weekly oracle card readings to set you up for the week ahead, online programs such as Reset Your Routine, which is a 5-day program that helps you to build your own consistent yoga practice, and opportunities to connect with other members virtually too. The best part is that you can sign up today for Thrive Anywhere absolutely free of charge. We have a 7-day free trial so that you can test it out and you have literally nothing to lose. Thereafter, your membership fee will go towards supporting us to create more accessible and inclusive wellness offerings. You can find the link to sign up to Thrive anywhere in the description box of this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you again there soon. Take care.